Ok, sự đây ngọc này này chụp này thay nàyคือจีផ្នែកចុងក្រោយនៃ Unit 14 បាទ Chapter 5 Unit 14 Ok យើងមកមើល Tapescript បាទហើយសូមចាត់ថា Tapescript នេះគឺខ្ញុំបកប្រែតែផ្នែកណាដែលបាទអត់មាននៅក្នុងផ្នែកខាងមុខនោះទេបាទហ្នឹងហើយហើយផ្នែកណាដែលខ្ញុំបានបកប្រែឲ្យនៅខាងនៅក្នុងទំព័រមេរៀនបាទខ្ញុំអត់បកប្រែសារឡើងវិញទេតែគ្រាន់តែអានបាទអានឡើងវិញណាយើងអូខេបាទដល់យើងមើល14.1 បាទ 14.1 អូខេអ្នកនរគ្នាមើលអ្នកនរគ្នាហើយអាចអានរៀនអានតាមក្រោយបាទ Hi Aroni I am taking Sam to visit Phnom Penh Do you have any advice for us Yeah I have a lot of advice Great Can you tell us everything Aroni Okay listen carefully You should visit the royal palace. You shouldn't drop litter in the street. You should visit the National Museum. You shouldn't build a nest near Satmai. It's very noisy. Okay, Aroni, where should we build a nest? You should build a nest on the riverside. It's very beautiful. And there are lots of worms to eat. Thanks, Aroni. Anything else? Yes, you shouldn't swim in the river. It's very dangerous. You should visit Silk Island. Thanks, Aroni. Thanks, Aroni. No problem. Have a good trip. Okay, នេះគឺខ្ញុំបកប្រែហើយចឹងសូមអត់បកប្រែឡើងវិញទេបាទមិញនេះបាទមើលទៀត You shouldn't drop litter in the street. Okay. You should build a nest on the riverside. You shouldn't swim in the river. You should visit Silk Island.បាទនេះគាត់បកប្រែដែរគាត់អានទេបើយើងបាទ 14.3 You should visit Shibuya. You should take a ride on our bullet train. You shouldn't use mobile phones. You must carry your identification papers. You must stand in line. You mustn't sit on the floor. You mustn't bargain. Okay ទាំងអស់នេះសិតបកប្រែឲ្យទាំងអស់ហើយបាទហ្នឹងហើយសូមអត់បកប្រែទៀតទេប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាមានពាក្យណាដែលយើងនៅតែឆ្ងល់យើងអាចឆាតសួរបានណាបាទអូខេក៏ comment ចូលមកណាបាទតែបើយើងមើលមេរៀនដែលយើងរៀនកន្លងមកហើយយើងអាចនឹងដឹងណាបាទអាចទៅមើលសារក្រោយវិញទៅណាបាទយើងមើល 14.4 បាទ In the school holidays I dance in a show called The Smile of Uncle The show tells the story of the great Uncle civilization To be a good dancer I have to exercise every day. I have to go to dance class. I have to practice my dance moves. In the show, I do a lot of different dances. I have to dance the Apsara dance. I have to dance the peacock dance. I have to dance the Shiva dance. Watai is in the show too. She does Bogotao. To be good at Bogotao, she has to exercise a lot. She has to practice kicking. She has to practice punching. In the show, she has to fight a demon. Number 14.5 បាទ I have to go to dance class. I have to dance the Apsara dance. I have to dance the Shiva dance. She has to exercise a lot. She has to practice punching. Okay មើលបាទគឺយើងចប់តាមនេះណាបាទជាងខ្ញុំអូខេគ្រាន់អានទេបាទអត់បានបកប្រែយើងទេណាបាទអ្នកគ្នាមានអីចម្ងល់អាចសួរនៅក្នុងឆាតឬក៏ comment ថែបានបាទតែសូមបញ្ជាក់ថាយើងអាចទៅមើលមេរៀនមុនបាទដែលយើងបានបកប្រែរួចហើយអូខេបាទបាទអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ Tapescript យើងចប់តាមនេះណាបាទហើយមេរៀនក្រោយយើងនឹងចូល Unit 15